Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your taskbar keeps popping up while playing games in your Windows machine. Now, the taskbar popping up during full screen games on Windows 11 often stems from auto hide settings, Explorer glitches, or conflicting features like game mode, etc. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and enable auto hide on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the taskbar and then click on taskbar settings and then look for taskbar behaviors. Under this, you can check the box which says automatically hide the taskbar. Close this window and then try to play the game and check if your taskbar pops up when you're full screen gaming mode. Now the next step to try is to go ahead and restart Windows Explorer. So the glitches causes the taskbar to ignore hide settings. Now to restart Windows Explorer, you will have to open the task manager. So you can either press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard, or else you can do a right click on the start button and then click on Task Manager. This should open Task Manager on your computer. Once you have the Task Manager open, you can locate or search for Windows Explorer, or else you can manually locate for Windows Explorer. Either ways, do a right click and then click on Restart. What this will do is this will go ahead and restart the Windows Explorer on your computer. So for a brief period, you may not see the taskbar, and then it should appear back once it is restarted. Once this is done, you may close this window. Now this refreshes the UI without rebooting. Once this is done, you may go ahead and try to play the game in the full screen mode and check if the taskbar pops up on your screen. In case if this issue is resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and disable game mode on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on gaming. And then on the right hand side, you will have to look for game mode. Once you're on the game mode, use this button to toggle, and that should turn off the game mode off on your computer. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you may try to go ahead and update your Windows on your computer. To update your Windows, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on Windows Update and then click on check for the updates and see if there are any updates to be installed on your computer. In case if there are any updates to be installed on your computer, go ahead and download those updates. Once the installation is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all this steps should definitely resolve this problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.